Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math algebra problem. So here we have, this is nice algebraic expression. 12 minus 7 times of 7 minus 12 is equals to 1. Is equals to what? So here, first I can explain the common mistakes which students can do in the exams. Students can solve this problem in this way. So he can just subtract these two values, and 12 minus 7 becomes 5 times, and 7 minus 12 becomes here minus 5, and 5 times minus 5 becomes minus 25. So this is the wrong answer, or this is the wrong method to solve this problem. So here I can give you a nice correct method in which we can solve this type of questions. So here in this type of questions we use the PEMDAS rule. Okay, so you very well know about this nice rule. So here P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So we just remember this order of operation to solve this type of questions. So we necessarily solve this problem. We use this rule from left side to right side. So this is the order of this rule. Okay, it means that we just give the first priority to the parentheses, and then we give the second priority to the exponent, and we gives the third priority to the multiplication and division. Or you know about that, multiplication and division has the equal priority. In the same pattern, addition and subtraction also have the same priority. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So first we copy down the given question statement. Here it is 12 minus 7 times of 7 minus 12. Okay, so you see that in this question we have two operations, negative and parentheses, and you see the order of operation from here. You know that we give the first priority to the parentheses. It means that we first solve this parentheses, and we have 12 minus 7, and 7 minus 12 becomes here minus 5, and here we just write the multiplication sign. And then you see here, after this simplification, we have two operations, minus and multiplication, and here we just multiply both of these two values and we get 12. Minus times minus becomes plus, 7 times 5 becomes 35, and finally we have 12 plus 35 is equals to 35. 2 plus 5 becomes 7, 1 plus 3 becomes here 4. This is our final simplified form of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.